Okay, today we're going to talk about wire management in an L-desk. And the place you want to start is with the power director, which is behind the door in the left ped. The power director gives power to all the electronics in the desk. The outlets, the three outlets in the back, the black ones are turned on and off with this on and off switch. The red one is live all the time. So you can pop this right out of the bracket to plug in your power and any data lines, computer lines that you want to plug in. And then it can snap right back in. The power for that runs through a hole in the partition panel into the knee hole, and then you can run that out underneath the modesty panel to a wall socket. There's other channels for running power in this L-desk. Around the perimeter there are 6 cutouts for wires. The ones on the end to run a wire behind the drawer, you simply remove the drawer and the wire can be run in from the outside through the end panel behind the drawer, and it comes out behind the knee hole drawer. And it too then runs under the modesty panel into a wall socket.